In this video, I'm going to share my camping experience at Morrow Mountain State Park and we are going to visit NC Zoo. So let's start this journey. So first task is to book campsite. Here I used NC State Park website to secure my camp place. The charge of this campsite is $23 plus taxes. Here I have set up the 4-person tent and still there quite a lot space is available. So here what I have found in NC State Park campsite, generally 2 tent of this size you can set up easily. Another best thing is their bathrooms. They have proper shower facility as well where you can get hot and cold water. So there you can plan to stay for more days. Here we enjoyed our 1-day stay at this beautiful campsite fully. Next morning we got up early and get ready to explore nearby area. So there you can take a scenic ride and enjoy the view. After this, I went to nearby river to try the kayak, and you can do other adventures also. After beautiful time at camping, we move towards Asheboro where we are going to explore NC Zoo. This is world's largest natural habitat zoo. Since it is a quite large zoo, you need enough time to explore the entire area. So I prefer to come early morning. It opens at 9 a.m. and you check before you come to this place what are the timings. So currently in summer the timing is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And admission fee is $15 for adult and $11 for kids. This zoo is divided into main 2 sections, North America and Africa. There you, as per name suggests, you will find their local species over there to enjoy zebra, giraffes, elephants and gorillas. You have to go to the Africa region and to enjoy the alligators, turtles and various kind of snakes. You can explore the North America region. You can find the grizzly and the different varieties of bears as well. This zoo is quite friendly. There you can use trams to travel from one point to another point. As you enter, you can get a map of the entire zoo and you can reach to the junctions and you can catch your tram. This was a really amazing experience to see these beautiful animals in front of your eyes and playing and enjoying their time. I must say NC Zoo has maintained very well this entire area and they provide the real natural habitat to animals. So hats off to NC Zoo, and if you want to enjoy these kind of videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and see you in another video. Bye bye.